Welcome to MBBS Council. Compulsory Service Bond is one of the important criteria in deciding the choice filling order for All India quota counselling. In this video, we will see state-wise compulsory service duration as well as penalty if one could not complete the compulsory service. If you are new to this channel and looking for PG admission, install MBBSCouncil Android App. It contains everything you need to know to predict and rank medical colleges for your NEET rank. For Kerala medical colleges, after PG course completion, candidates should serve the Kerala state government hospitals for 3 years. If candidate could not complete 3 years of service for any reason, they should pay penalty of 50 lakhs. Karnataka service duration is 3 years and penalty is 50 lakhs. For Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Gujarat, service duration is just 1 year and the penalty varies between 10 lakhs and 30 lakhs. Before choice filling, make sure that you avoid placing state government colleges which have high compulsory service duration as well as penalty amount. If you do not want to relocate to other states, you have to place medical colleges from your state during PG choice filling. You can check last year closing rank for all PG courses in your state medical colleges by installing MBBSCouncil Android App. This will help you during the choice filling. For Tamil Nadu, it is 2 years and 40 lakhs. For Telangana and Andhra Pradesh, it is 1 year and 20 lakhs. For central government-run institutions such as AIIMS, JIPMER, many Delhi government medical colleges, there is no service bond. For Punjab, it is 2 years and the penalty is 15 lakhs. For Rajasthan, service duration is 5 years and penalty is 25 lakhs. For Chhattisgarh and Uttar Pradesh, service duration is 2 years. For Bihar, it is 3 years. Assam state, service duration is the highest, 10 years, and the penalty amount is 20 lakhs. Uttarakhand and Odisha seem to have 2 years service duration with very high penalty of 2.5 crores and 1.5 crores respectively. West Bengal and Jharkhand have 3 years compulsory service with 30 lakhs penalty. For ESI medical colleges, it is 3 years and penalty is 25 lakhs. If you like this video, please cheer us by clicking the thumbs up button. If you face any issues while predicting course or medical college, contact Admission Counseling Helpline 044 4631 3330. See you in the next video.